Okay guys, you asked me to show you another ChatGPT affiliate marketing method, and today I'm going to show you exactly that. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google, and here let's just say that I'm in keto niche. So what I need to do, I need to simply type keto diet, okay? And then press enter. And I need to scroll here, and here you can see people also ask. So what I need to do, I actually need to open and close few of these questions, and here you can see now Google gave me more questions, and these are actually most often questions that people ask related to keto diet. So what I need to do, I need to research all of these questions. So for example, is keto a healthy diet? Now that is actually a good question. So let me just copy this, okay? And now I need to actually research this keyword here. So I'll simply go on Google Keyword Planner and then click here, Discover New Keywords. And here I'm going to paste that, okay? And here you can see I have chosen United States, but you can choose any country that you want. And then simply click here on Generate Results. And look at this. Between 100 and 1,000 people is searching this keyword here every month on Google in United States. But look at this is more interesting. Here you can see 3 months change. It is actually increase of 900%, which means this is actually trending on Google in past 3 months. That is really good. And here you can see competition is actually low, which is great for us, which means we can actually rank on first page on Google and start getting targeted free traffic from Google. So first thing we need to do, we actually need an article. So for that, we need to go on ChatGPT. And first, actually, I need to ask ChatGPT to give me a title. So I will say something like this, okay? And here you can see, give me a catchy title for Is Keto Healthy Diet? Now, the reason why I ask for catchy or clickbait is because I wish to get as many clicks as possible, and clickbait works the best. I know that some of you have moral issues with that, but unfortunately that is what works the best, okay? And here you can see they actually gave me catchy title. So now what I need to do, now I need to ask it to write me an article. Now I already prepared this prompt, so I don't have to waste too much of your time, and I will say something like this. Write me an entire blog article for this post. And here you can see now ChatGPT will actually write an entire article for me. And actually I have 2 tips for you. Tip number 1 is always check these articles for plagiarism. And tip number 2 is always check these articles for grammatical errors. These articles are written by software, which means plagiarism is possible and grammatical errors are possible. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to publish this article somewhere. It is best if you can publish this article on your own blog. And for the purpose of this video, I am going to publish this article on Google Sites. So first thing I will do, I will change the cover image. I will click here on select, and here I will choose search, and here I will simply say keto, okay? And then press enter, and I will actually, let's just say keto diet, okay? Diet, press enter. And it's not cat, it is actually keto. Sorry about that. Keto. Okay, keto. Press enter. And let's just say I will choose this image here. Click here on select, and that's it. Now I need to add a title. So I will go back on ChatGPT, and I'm going to use this title here. Okay, Control C, go back here, and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, and actually I'm going to make this to be, let's just say, for example, to be, let's just say 24, and to be bold, and also to be white, okay, white. And this is how it looks. And actually I'm going to make this to be center like this, okay, and this is how it looks. So next thing I need to do, I need to add my article. So I will go back here on ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy this, okay, let's just select all of this, Control C, go back on Google Sites, double click here, click here on this TT for text, and I'm going to paste that here. And of course, what you need to do, you need to actually make this to be heading 1. So let me just, okay, title. Actually, it's not title, that is heading. Sorry about that. And also, this is heading. So let me just click here on heading. Also heading. So let me just click here on heading. And also heading, okay? Heading. So now you're probably wondering, well, how do I actually do ChatGPT affiliate marketing? How do I promote my affiliate products? Where do I add my call to action? So what I need to do, I actually need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to ask ChatGPT something like this, okay? And paste that here, and here you can see, give me clickbait question for my Is Keto Healthy Diet poll. Now the reason why I actually ask for a poll is if you ask to make you quiz, then people, when they take that quiz, they will expect to see a result. But when they take a poll, they actually know they might get the result and they may not get the result. And that is why I asked for a poll. And here you can see they gave me a poll. And now what I need to do, I need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to ask ChatGPT to make me HTML poll. Now it is really important to ask for HTML code, as you can see here, because we need to embed that. And that is really, really important. And here you can see when they click on submit button, it will redirect them to my website. That is really, really important. And that means that we actually now need to go and find our affiliate product. And for that, I'm going to use Digistore24, but you can use ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. Here you can see I already found keto related products. And let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. And let's just say I will simply copy this. And this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. So I need to simply go back here on ChatGPT, okay? And I need to click here on copy this, okay? And I need to paste that here in Notepad. That is really, really important. And here when it says your website, I actually need to go here and I need to copy my Digistore24 affiliate link. And I'm going to paste that link here, okay? So I will paste it here. That is my Digistore24 affiliate link. And here you can see add your question. So I need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to actually ask my question. Okay, Control C, and I will ask my question. I will simply paste that here. And now what I need to do, I actually need to copy this HTML code. I need to go back here on Google Sites. And actually, I'm going to add this quiz, this poll on the bottom here. So what I need to do, I need to click here and then I need to click here on embed and then click here on embed and click here on insert. And now I will insert this poll here. Okay. And here you can see this poll. And when people actually vote on this poll and when they click here on submit, they will be automatically redirected to my website. So all I have to do now is just click here on publish and just click here on previews, just so you can see how this actually looks. So let me just click here on, for example, yes, okay, yes, sorry about that, yes, and when I click here on submit, as you can see, it automatically redirects me to my affiliate link to this product. And here you can see this is my Digistore24 affiliate ID. So if someone actually buys this product now, I will earn an affiliate commission, and actually I'm going to earn on average 31 euros. Let me just switch this to US dollars, okay, US dollars, and here you can see I will actually make 33 US dollars if someone actually buys this product, okay? So what you need to do now, all you have to do is just start promoting this Google page that you made. You just need to start promoting it on Quora, on related Facebook groups, on Reddit, on Pinterest. For this kind of articles, for these kind of niches, Pinterest maybe is the best option. Also start promoting this on related forums. Related forums are great source of targeted free traffic. Promote it on Twitter, on Tumblr, on TikTok, wherever you can. Start driving as much traffic as you can. And not just that, when we go back here on Google Keyword Planner, here you can see competition is low, which means if you build enough quality backlinks, you can actually rank on first page on Google for this keyword here, and you can start getting targeted free traffic from Google, and that will actually be a passive income. So you will basically make a passive income with ChatGPT affiliate marketing. And like I said, all you have to do is just use ChatGPT to write articles like this, and you need to start publishing articles like this every day. And trust me guys, within a month or two, you will start getting traffic, you will start making money with ChatGPT affiliate marketing. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.